More how-to videos from Permagreen. This one on tire pressure. People ask, how many pounds of pressure in the sulky tire? How many in the large tire? Both are the same, 12 PSI of air. Now, as you know, there's diluted RV antifreeze in both tires for ballast, keep it steady on the ground, and for traction purposes. But there is room in each tire for air. So 12 PSI in this one. What you want to do is make sure and have your valve stem at like 12 o'clock. Less likely chance of having anything come out of there, but as you can see, that one's close. That one was about 11. We'll put another pound in this one. But same thing with this. Valve stem 12 o'clock. Take a regular tire pressure gauge and check for air pressure. A couple of things are going to happen. If you keep 12 PSI in these tires, think about it. This tread surface is going to remain flat. It's not going to be concave or convex. So less wear and tear on the bearings, the axles, everything lasts a lot longer. Of course, make sure and keep the grease in the zerks on the back here. But 12 PSI of air in the Permagreen tires. How-to videos, we've got a bunch of them. Check them out on YouTube. Or if you need parts like tires, get them at permagreen.com.